In this video we will make a boat from electric motor with a propeller. It will work with the air, and you can see our materials are like one stand from the foam and one propeller are like three combination, and like batteries, two colored papers, two round stick and one stick. Okay, first of all, we again start with the same like step, and we check if our motor is working or not. So right now our motor is working, so you see like a different like button here, but doesn't matter, they are always on a button. When you push it's on, when you push again it's stop. Okay, right now I will shape my stand and I will make a design first. Maybe I can make it like this and like this, and it will be good. Okay, I take my knife. You can make it in a different way, but I want to do like this. So I will make it like this to not damage my table. Okay, I think it's almost good. Maybe here a bit more. Yes. Maybe one day we can make a machine to cut this one. It's also doable. Okay, what we're gonna do? First of all, we will put our motor here. But if you put a glue gun to glue to here, then it will be melt. Then that's why I put this one here. Always with Little Adrian's Academy. Yeah. I produced this toy almost in the 7 years. So, and again, like don't put any line to these holes. My motor will be here, and my button, I can put my button here. It's so easy to make a boat, and you can use them in the lake or in the swimming pool in your summer holiday. And right now I will put my propeller to here, and when it turns, it will like send air, and look, it's like sending air and it will go forward. Even here, like it's like moving, so you see that. Yeah. Okay, what I gonna do for that? First of all, I will put some decoration for wind. Okay, if you do like this, and one more time, like this. I'll put some here. And one big one like this, so you can see from here and here. Okay, I'll put my stick from here, so you will see how it become a decoration for my boat. So you remember the old type of boats from Vikings that they are using wind here, the wind like crash here and the boats go forward. And I will put this one to the front like this, so you can also see like from here. Yes, this one will be here, and I will do the second one also with the same level, so you can see again one like this, and the second one. If you want, you can make the third one, or only 2 times. And again, I put this one in here. And you can see this here. One more time and one more time. These are 4 winds. And I will put this one to the here. And right now my boat is ready to go. If I put this one like this, and look, it's really cool boat. Look. Yes, and when you start it, it will go very fast in the water. And this is boat from electric motors.